unboxing of a special climbing item that I got for Oshun. I've been waiting to get this for forever, so I'm just so happy because she had climbed up on every single thing, and I figured more or less that this toy or this thing that I'm getting her would really help her, and just kind of, you know, because I think she's growing really fast, and I want to be able to facilitate her just little things that she's been doing or big things that she's been doing. So yeah, I'm heading to Kingston right now just for the day to go and pick up this item, and then I'm gonna head back home and set it up so you guys can see what it is and how she interacts with it. So before I wanted to share this, I mean, this has nothing to do with motherhood or the baby, but on my way to Kingston I had to stop because I needed air in the tire, and I was talking to this old man, not really old man, but like an old man from country, and I don't know, him just see me and say, you know, look like somebody who love problem. I don't love problem, but problem sometimes find me. But I was saying to him like, no, me not like problem, me not sir, me not into them something. And the conversation went from me not liking problem to talking about how we're in like a famine, and how, so basically he was telling me that like back in the day, back in like 94, you know, like back in the 90s and stuff, like, oh, this old man, sorry, he owns a farm shop, like a farm food shop. So like if you want goat and cow feed and them something, he sells those. So he was telling me that, you know, he used to farm a lot, so he used to have like an excess amount of just like food, banana, cassava, fruits in galore and everything like that. And he was telling me that no, he's not seeing like not even half of what he used to grow and them something there. And I was like, yes sir. But when I was a kid and I used to come to like country, and the mango them, when we say mango, like, oh, mango, I don't see half of what I used to see now. And there are like tons and tons of mango trees, and sometimes the mango tree them not bear, sometimes mango tree just a bear go along. So but this time around it's like a mango tree just bear like 1 and 2 time and just done. And you know that mango season pretty much lasts for a while. We were talking about all of that, and he was telling me that, you know, like we're in serious trouble because there's a food shortage that's gonna come. And the thing is, sir, you know, people just drive up so close behind you and them not understand, like, sir, don't drive so close behind me. Anyway, yeah, so he was telling me that there's a food shortage that's coming, and I read about that, and I certainly agree with that, because, and you know what, so we were talking about as well, to like with country people, they have all the resources, they have land, they have the food, they have all of these things, but it's like a lot of people from the country, they don't have a certain level of education, like, you know, financially, and just how the world works in general. And so they're selling out a lot of their land just because, you know, they want money, and maybe their farming isn't making like a lot of money, and so them sell the land for like a $1-2 million, which is like really cheap. And you know, those people who are buying the land, them come and then build up house and then get them real estate and get their money. And we're talking about all of that, and he said something very profound to me. He said to me that people back in the day live a longer life, and people, like meaning us nowadays, we are living a shorter lifespan. So he's saying that people without the knowledge, they live knowledge, when really and truly back in the day people actually had the knowledge, because like it was so simple for them. They use bush to cure, you know what I mean, them not take up all of things on them head. But obviously like nowadays we have like numerous of things and just like different types of challenges those persons wouldn't be able to understand. But basically he's saying that even though we're experiencing those things now, like we are smarter. No, we're smarter now. We're living like a shorter life, and maybe like more people are being depressed these days because, you know, as I said, we have a lot of challenges or more problems now based on things that, you know, they wouldn't understand. The knowledge that we have or have access to is like we're not making use especially when it comes to life preservation and food and all of that. Okay guys, so I picked it up and this is what the package looks like. Excited. I feel like picnic on weekend. So now I am actually just gonna head back home and do the unboxing there. She's asleep now, so I'm gonna try to reach without speeding. I'm gonna try to reach home, so like to surprise her that I'm back, because she looked a little bit sad today when I was leaving the house. I mean, it's just so interesting how she starts to show emotions. I don't know what she's feeling exactly. I'm home. And I had a class for an hour that I forgot about, so I am going to do the unboxing right now. I started already, but this lighting was a bit dark. Careful, Booba, so you can see what the product is. Alright, thank you, Booba. Don't move it, Booby. Yes, no. Can you guys figure it out yet? Found the book. It's a bunch of these things right here. And then I have this right here. Definitely have to wipe it off because I could have some dust on it. So I think that's probably it now. So I'm gonna try to set it up right now. Be gentle. Booba, be gentle. It's all the ones. Booby. Oshun. Trying to get all the parts together, Booby. All the parts together so I can put everything together. I need a screwdriver, obviously. I should probably want one today. But hello. Connect. What is that? Connect 2 part 4 panels and 5 part 6. Oh, I get it. I think these are 6. Okay, so I definitely looked at what I needed to put this together and I was not prepared. So what I'm gonna do tonight is to just set out all the products, all the items together, and then show you. And I'll have to finish it up tomorrow with the power screw. So I'm not gonna be able to do it tonight. Sad story. So this is it. So in the morning or in the afternoon, depending on what time I finish work, I'm just gonna assemble everything and I'm gonna show you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna take a shower now and drink some tea, put Oshun to sleep, and then I'm gonna go to bed at whatever time it is right now. Alright, so this has been a whole mess. This is what now, day 3 of trying to put the thing together. So I finally got my drill sorted out. I didn't have a point to drill it in, so I actually tried to drill it in here, and it worked, thank God. So I'm gonna just continue to do everything now finally and show you guys what I've been working on. It's kind of fun. But yeah, let me get to it right now, because once I should want to sleep too, so I can't drill in the night. It's a Saturday night, so I can't drill in the night because, you know, she wants to sleep. And Sunday I can't do it because I have to go to my baby brother's graduation. I'm gonna charge the other battery just in case. So this is how it looks. I'm gonna do the other side. I had everything organized, but my daughter came and just, like, you know, pull up everything all over the place. So I'm just doing as I go, as quickly as possible, which may not be the best thing to do because, as I said, I'm trying to just do everything so she can have it, like, for tomorrow morning. Yeah. You frightened? Or did some hard work for you? Alright, so I have to.
Alright.
She wants to sleep, so I have to pause right here. I don't know what's gonna happen. So I may break this into like a two-part video. Alright? As you can see. Come, Booba, I'm gonna put you to sleep now. I screw it now. I guess screw again, Booba. Almost there, Baba. So the thing is, because, you know, I'm doing it with her, I can't find these things, so sometimes these things are all over the place. The next thing that I'm a little bit concerned about is if I have all the screws, so we'll see as we go. So I'm gonna screw on this final piece now. Maybe you can see what it's going to be like, and just a change of scenery as well. It's a beautiful day. It's very hot though, but I wanted to it's a different change, you know, in scenery. You can slide down on this side now. Woo! Alright. Down. only thing that's a little bit worrisome for me is because it's board and splinters, so I just have to really pay attention to what she's doing and just obviously assess it properly, even though it's already started. Before like when I put everything together, just assess it properly before she really like dig deep into it. Yeah, cutting toenail, cutting my fingernail. Baby, you're so smart. I only did that once, you know. Let me cut it off. I have actually 9 for this. I don't know if I lost anything, but it should be able to complete everything. Complete. So this is how it's supposed to actually look. So you have that slipper thing across. This is what I was trying to make for the last, what, 3-4 days. So I'm gonna wipe it off now, and but you can also do different things. Let me show you what you can do. Climbing to just the slide.
Hungry cow.
Climbing.
This is a cow.
Like a rocking bed. So yeah, I think that's the end of the video, guys. I got this because, as I said, I wanted to just encourage her development, you know. I'm gonna link it below so you can see how much I got this item for. If you know anybody coming down, it's better to bring it because I paid double the cost of this for Jamaican customs, which is ridiculous. We know say the customs struggle very real, but I really wanted to get something for her, you know. Excusing the noise in the background. Not noise, the cartoon in the background because she's watching it. I'm hoping throughout the days and she'll just have some fun times on this, and it will encourage her like physical development because she's very good at just like physical activities. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and let me know if there are other types of like play activities that you guys have or you guys use. So I'm definitely into getting it for her because, you know, I just love facilitating her and I love teaching her all of these things. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and bye.